Hey everyone, my name is Alice B. McGinty and I'm a children's book author. I'm the author of The Girl Who Named Pluto, the story of Venetia Burney, an 11-year-old girl who named the planet Pluto in 1930. Pancakes to Paratas, Breakfast Around the World, and the upcoming book, The Sea Knows. I've been thinking about how I can be of help to everyone out there who's homeschooling and working so hard to learn from home. And I think one of the things I can offer is that I have taught writing and have been a tutor for over 15 years and have developed a method of writing essays, which I'd like to share with you all in small segments. And maybe it will help you as you work at home on making your writing better. I'm going to share my screen with you and share a little bit about that first step together. Okay, so if you can see the screen, the method I've developed is called Essay Eggs. And as we get more deeply into the method, it's because an egg has a shell and a yolk, and that's the process we look at as we write. But we're going to begin by choosing a topic for the essay. So when I work with my students, I try to find topics that won't take a lot of research, so the focus can really be on the writing itself. A great starting prompt is, what makes a good blank? And then you fill it in. What makes a good friend? What makes a good athlete, soccer player, artist, musician? What makes a good explorer? I had one student who wrote an essay on what makes a good dinosaur. So find something that's of interest to you or your student and have them write about that. And think of the qualities that would make a good friend or musician or dinosaur. I'm going to keep these up on the screen so you can take a screenshot whenever you want to capture these so you've got them. We're going to scroll up to argumentative essay topics. These are arranged in age appropriateness from younger to older. So if you have a younger child, say second or third grade, they might enjoy writing about should more time be allowed for recess at school? Yes or no? Or should students be paid to get good grades? I think some are. Let's see, what else? Should the production and sale of cigarettes be made illegal? Should schools implement uniform policies? We keep going. We have one more page. Should America convert to the metric system? Is censorship sometimes justified? Find a topic that's of interest, that you feel like you want to write about and study and argue. One fun thing is, once you've written about a topic, say, should America convert to the metric system, and you're arguing, yes, it should, next time you write that essay, try writing it the other way. America should not convert to the metric system, and here's why. It's a great way to get your thinking going. Once you have gone ahead and picked a topic, the next thing you need to do is write a thesis statement. Your thesis statement is a very clearly written statement that tells the reader what's going to be proven in the essay. It's written in one complete sentence. If the prompt is, what makes a good friend? The thesis might be, the three qualities which make a good friend are trustworthiness, helpfulness, and a sense of humor. If the prompt is for an argumentative essay, such as, should students be allowed to use cell phones at school? The thesis states the point that the writer is arguing. Students should be allowed to use cell phones at school, or students should not be allowed to use cell phones at school. So it's not the question that's being asked, it's the answer. It's the thing that you're proving. that's the beginning. After that, we plan out the essay with ideas and examples. We learn how to write an introduction, and then we learn how to structure the paragraphs. What I found with my students is that if they didn't like writing, very often it was just because they didn't know what to write and they didn't have the confidence in knowing what comes next. So this is a method that teaches you what comes next. So there are no questions anymore, gives you that structure. You can contact me at alicebmcginty.com and let me know if you're using this and it's of help to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're doing well out there. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and write. Thank you.